Good afternoon, parents and carers. I am Jade Holloway and I welcome you to our information session on health and physical education for Grade 3. The purpose of this presentation this afternoon is to provide you with an understanding of the health and physical education curriculum at a Grade 3 level, while also highlighting the importance of physical exercise and specific motor skills that we can expect children to develop during this time. A child's level of physical activity is influenced by many factors, including their individual skills, their family lifestyle, and the environment in which they live, learn, and play. I want you to take a minute now and think about your own family's current lifestyle. What kind of food do you eat? What activities does your family participate in? Do you discuss the importance of healthy living as a family? Some of you may be sitting there wondering, why is health and PE so important for our child? What is its purpose? Well, I'm here to tell you that schools are at the heart of all communities, and as parents or carers, you are a major influence in your child's life. Together, we play a vital role in preparing young Australians to lead a physically active and healthy life, so it is important that we support each other through this journey together. Learning in health and PE is critical for physical, social, and emotional development. To achieve this, it is important that we teachers provide a relevant and age-appropriate context for exploring health issues for student and community demographic. It is also our priority to help students develop the skills and beliefs necessary for incorporating regular physical activity into their lives. Physical education is an all-encompassing term, including fitness, skills, movement, dance, recreation, health, games, and sport, plus the appropriate values and knowledge of each. Here we will take a quick look at an overview of the curriculum. It is important to understand that the curriculum is what we are required to teach by the government, and that the pedagogy is how we teach it. The curriculum contains content descriptions organised into two strands, which you can see at the top of the table: personal, social and community health, and then movement and physical activity. Each strand then contains 3 sub-strands with content descriptions, which describe what teachers must teach and students must learn. These include the topics understanding emotions, elements of movement, teamwork and leadership, and making healthy and safe choices. If we take a look at Year 3 and the specific motor skills developed, you can see that they master the kick, ball bounce, leap, and dodge. Students will continue to practice skills like the punt, forehand strike, and the two-hand strike over Years 4 and 5. If we take a closer look at the motor skill overarm throw, you will see that students were introduced this skill in Year 1. Then, throughout Years 2 and 3, we are focusing on providing them opportunities to practice and develop the overarm throw further. As a result, by the end of Year 4, students will feel competent and confident to use this skill when participating in a range of activities, games, sports, or dance. More specifically, you can see here the relationship between the overarm throw and various sports that include cricket, softball, volleyball, badminton, netball, baseball, javelin, and tennis. By the end of Year 4, they will refine fundamental movement skills and apply movement concepts and strategies in a variety of physical activities and to solve movement challenges. Health and PE has been shaped by 5 interrelated key ideas within the Australian curriculum, which guide how I personally teach health and PE. These approaches include strength-based inquiry, health literacy, and value movement. Here is an example of how I incorporate the inquiry approach into a lesson. I will start a session by giving students time to experiment with different ways to get a ball from point A to point B as quickly as possible before providing any direct instruction on techniques. The lesson is flipped from the normal watch me, listen to me, then have a go structure to instead have a go, then we will see what we discover and what we need to focus on. Taking this approach may seem simple, but it allows me to cater for individuals and their different levels of abilities, which then influences future lesson planning, topics covered, and how I may allocate groups. It also values movement skills and concepts while also identifying each student's strengths. This approach also provides students with the opportunity to problem solve, collaborate, analyze, and think critically, which are all important skills for the 21st century workforce. I hope this presentation has provided a snippet of insight towards health and PE at a Year 3 level. Remember to have those discussions about health topics with your children Encourage them to make informed decisions and include physical activities into your lifestyle. By doing so, you are showing the next generation the importance of health and PE, not just in our daily life, but within our curriculum. Thank you.